Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to share a fun read aloud with you of the story Do Not Lick This Book. The story Do Not Lick This Book was written in 2017 by Idan Ben-Barak and is illustrated by Julian Frost, and it is a story about all the reasons you should not put things in your mouth. If you're ready to hear the story, I'm ready to share it with you. Here we go. Do not lick this book. Oh, and it has the little guys on the front. It says, "It's full of germs." This is Min. Min is a microbe. She's small, very small. Can you see this dot? Microbes are so small that 3,422,167 microbes could fit on it. It's not very big, guys. But Min is a microbe. Microbes live everywhere. In your intestines, in the air, in your sock, on trumpets, Antarctica, at the bottom of the sea, on elephants' knees, underground, in your breakfast, inside this fish, on top of Mount Everest, up Santa's nose, just over there. Microbes are everywhere. Everywhere. Min lives in this book, and if you could look really, really closely, so Min the Microbe lives in this book, and we're going to look really, really closely. You would see her. I'm bored. Now, this is an extreme close-up. Oh, it says this is a photo of paper really, really close up. Isn't that amazing, you guys? Do you even believe that paper looks like this? It's not as smooth and flat as you might think. Let's take Min on an adventure. See the circle on the next page? That's where Min lives. Touch the circle with your finger to pick her up. I'm going to pick her up. Min is on my finger. I'm being very careful not to touch anything else. And I'm going to hold it up so that you can touch Min too and go on this adventure with me. Did you get it? All right, let's go. Again, my Min is up in the air because I don't want to lose her. Now Min is on your finger. And it says, away we go. Where shall we take Min first? Take me to your teeth. Okay, let's go. Open your mouth and carefully touch your front teeth with your finger. Now let's look really, really closely. So is Min on your tooth? She's on my tooth. Oh my gosh. This is a photo of a tooth really, really close up. Makes me want to go brush my teeth right now. Min says, "Whoa, this place is weird. I'm Min. What are you guys up to?" "I'm Ray. We're digging cavities. Want to help?" "Oh, can I get some acid over here?" "Yuck, can you smell toothpaste?" "Hey kid, brush your teeth less and eat more candy." What a strange place teeth are when you look really, really closely. No wonder it's a good idea to brush them. It's time for Min's next adventure. Touch your teeth and pick Min up. You got Min? I want to get out of these teeth. I wonder where Min is going to take us next. Oh, she's going to introduce us to Ray. Looks like you've picked up Ray as well. Do you have two? Min and Ray? Where shall we go next? Min says, would you like to visit a shirt, Ray? Shirt. All right, let's explore your shirt. Put your finger on your shirt to send Min and Ray on a new adventure. I'm going to put my Min and Ray are on my shirt right now. Now let's look really, really closely. Are you ready to see what your shirt looks like really, really closely? It looks like spaghetti. This is a photo of fabric really, really close up. And we can see Min and Ray are here. I'm Min and this is Ray. We're on an adventure. Adventure! Nice to meet you. My name's Dennis. We're making this shirt smell. Gross, I found a clean patch. Dennis, there's some lovely filth down here. Can you give me a hand spreading this dirt around? What's a hand? I hope we don't get put in the wash for a few more days. So all of these germs are on your clothes. And we're going to find out more about Dennis and his friends. What a strange place shirts are when you look really, really closely. No wonder they need washing. Now it's time for Min and Ray's next adventure. Touch your shirt to pick them up. All right, let's get Min and Ray. Are they on your finger? I think we got Dennis. I think I got a Dennis too. Yep. Dennis has come along for the ride. We have time for one more trip. Where shall we go? Shall we visit a belly button, Dennis? What's a belly button? Okay, off we go. Put your finger in your belly button and wiggle it around. Now let's look really, really closely. I put mine in my belly button. Did you? Did you wiggle it around? Do you think Min and Ray and Dennis are all in your belly button now? Oh, this is a photo of skin really, really close up. Hello, we're Min, Ray, and Dennis. This shirt is weird. I'm Ray. Huh, I'm Jake. Welcome. We don't get many visitors. Help yourselves to a delicious chunk of dead skin. Ah, I do enjoy a nice drink of sweat on a hot day. Did I tell you about the time soap got all the way in here? I don't like scary stories. What a strange place skin is when you look really, really closely. No wonder it gets itchy. Put your finger back in your belly button to pick up Min and her friends. Or is your finger in your belly button? That was fun. Now I'd like to go back to my book, please. Can we come? What is a book? Let's put Min and her friends back in this book. I wiped mine off. I'm going to go ahead and let you wipe yours back off. Did you put Min and her friends back? Oh, hang on. Let's all pick them back up. There's a special place to put them on the other page. I got mine. Did you get yours? All right. They're on the tip of our finger. Here's a good spot. There's plenty of room for everyone. Go ahead and put your germs back. Where will you take Min tomorrow? I don't know. Now, Min and all of her friends are just hanging out in this book. It's germier and germier by the second. But now I'm going to show you what Min and her friends, what type of germs they really were. Min is an E. coli, and E. coli live happily in your intestines, but they are very good at spreading, especially when you don't wash your hands too well. Ray is a streptococcus. It's all bumpy, and streptococcus bacteria live in a lot of places, including your mouth. And eating sugar and they will eat sugar and poop acid that can dissolve your teeth. So brush your teeth. And Dennis is a fungus. This is nice hairstyle. His real name is Aspergillus niger. You probably picked him up while playing outside. And then Jake is a corynebacterium. And a corynebacterium live in lots of places, including your skin. They love dirt. And he says, I wish I had legs like this in real life. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have enjoyed the story. Do not lick this book. And I hope that you will consider not licking a lot of things after hearing about all of these germs that are out there. If you did enjoy this book, please hit the thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, please click that subscribe button down at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope you brush your teeth and wash your hands, and I hope to see you all again real soon. Bye-bye.